everyone. This is Assist Professor Ejaz Khan from Anjuman-E-Islam Hubli, Nehru Arts, Science, Commerce, BBA, BCA and Post-Graduation Center. As I want to inform you that Anjuman-E-Islam Hubli, Nehru Arts, Science, Commerce, BBA, BCA and Post-Graduation Center going to organize one beautiful national level quiz competition on general business finance on Monday 21st June 2021 for all undergraduation and post-graduation students as well as the research scholars can participate in this national level quiz on general business finance. There is no registration fees and all registered participants will get participated certificate, and apart from that, those who qualify, those who scored 50% and above will get qualification certificate. And apart from this, there will be 3 different cash prizes for top 3 rank holders. Those who scored outstanding participants will get 3 cash prizes as well as the qualified certificate. The first cash prize is rupees 2,000 and the second cash prize is rupees 1,000 and the third one is 500 rupees along with the qualified rank holders certificate of national level business finance quiz. So please do register and play the quiz and be updated yourself. Thank you.